Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate with a score of 4.50. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.16% since we first listed Microsoft as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has provided a return of 0.32% per day since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $367.10 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 22.79% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 21.59% and 31.8%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 50.78% change expected over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 38.56% and 58.43%. This means the stock price could range from $513.68 to $587.33 after a year. Our latest update on Microsoft brings exciting news. The stock had a green day on Friday, gaining 1.31%. On the last trading day, Friday, December 15, 2023, the Microsoft stock price rose from $365.93 to $370.73. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $366.28 and a high of $372.40, with a total range of 1.67%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a slight loss of -1.01%. However, on the last day, both the volume and price increased, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, 20 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $23.55 billion in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for the stock was $384.30, while the lowest was $219.35. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 3.53% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $13.57. It's important to note that the current price of $370.73 is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft, MSFT, a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft, MSFT, an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft, MSFT, an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Mizuho Securities gave Microsoft, MSFT, buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 6, 2023, Bernstein gave Microsoft, MSFT, buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating, indicating a positive outlook for investors. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy, further emphasizing the potential value of the stock. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating, suggesting a more cautious approach. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, the Microsoft stock shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates that while there may be some short-term selling pressure, the overall forecast for the stock is positive. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $371.70. Conversely, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at approximately $366.50. A break through the short-term average will be a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will be a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there have also been some negative signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, resulting in a minus 3.13% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, we'll discuss some interesting signals for you to consider. The moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, we observed a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands, this indicator generated a buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, it provided a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 47 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, it indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 32 days ago. If you're interested in finding more signals, check out our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft support level is at $369.67, which means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock price. This suggests that now might be a good time to consider investing in Microsoft. In terms of risk, Microsoft tends to have very controlled movements and is considered a low-risk stock due to its good liquidity. This means that the chances of experiencing significant losses are relatively low. Looking at the recent price action, Microsoft had a daily price range of $6.12, or 1.67%, which indicates moderate volatility. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.74%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is commonly observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are set at $2.75. It's important to keep an eye on these estimates as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the stock is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $374.37. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $369.67. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 8, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider sell of 24,680,983 shares of common stock. On December 7, 2023, Mason Mark conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On December 7, 2023, McGregor Catherine conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Walmsley Emma N conducted an insider buy of 159 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Walmsley Emma N conducted an insider sell of 477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 76.966. Overall, insiders purchased 2,531,299 shares and sold 328,692 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $353.68, reflecting a decrease of 4.6%. This particular stock demonstrates low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 13 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals in the short term, indicating that Microsoft stock may be a good investment opportunity. The overall trend is also favorable. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected an overvaluation in the current price, based on the volatility in recent movements. Looking ahead to Monday, December 18th, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open with a decline of 93 cents, starting at $369.80. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to acknowledge the risks involved. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money, so it's crucial that you consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, relying solely on StockInvest.us is not advisable. By accessing and using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. It's essential to carefully evaluate your options and proceed with caution. Welcome to our analysis of the current stock market. We value your input, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this particular stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.